Welcome back to my channel. I'm Brandon. This is the InScentive collection, and today we have something very, very special. It's an unboxing for Hugo Boss Number One. Now, this is my first Hugo Boss fragrance. Crazy, right? I've smelled these in the store as far as Hugo Boss, but I've maybe smelled one Hugo Boss fragrance my whole life. So this is going to be interesting. And this content has been suggested by our friend Tobias Johnson over in the comments section. He is a fellow collector, and he recommended I get my nose on these, okay? Nose on this. And the reason why is because it's the same perfumer that made these, okay? Now, I believe his name is Pierre Wagner. Pierre Wagner. Now, I'm a huge fan of Drakkar Noir. This is from 2010. And this is from 2023, 4, something like that. They are different. They are different. And I'm hearing that this is similar to this. So, without all of that being in the way, we're going to get into unboxing this. Yes, let's go ahead and feels good. Cellophane defeated. Brandon the winner. Wow. Strong. Very, very strong. Wow. All right. We got Boss Hugo Number One Eau de Toilette, 100 millimeter, 100 milliliter. Where am I today? All right, we're gonna go ahead and unsheathe this thing. And I already like the color. You know me, I like a little bit of color in my fragrance bottles. Man. That's a cap. That's a capital app. Look at that. Look at that. All right. There it is. All right, Tobias. Let's see what we got. Dang, this cap is serious. I'm going to go ahead and put this to the side before it catches a W over me. Interesting. Very interesting. I think we got some spots open. Let's see. There it is. Ah, yes. This definitely has that vintage appeal. You got aromatic, woodsy, fresh spice, honey, sweet, herbal, earthy, tobacco, warm spice, and mossy. Interesting, interesting. In the top notes, you got, man, they used to put so much in these things. In the top notes, you got Artemisia, Juniper, Bergamot, lemon, Caraway, green apple, Basil, and Grapefruit. That's just in the top. In the middle, you got honey, lavender, rose, sage, jasmine, geranium, lily of the valley, and Orris root. In the base, you got tobacco, oakmoss, patchouli, sandalwood, musk, amber, cinnamon, and cedar. And it smells like a lot of those things. This bottle looks a lot like the Hermes bottle. It's got the tapered edges on the inside. This definitely looks like a vintage bottle. Man, they don't make bottles like this anymore. I'm starting to realize it. Huh. Anyway. Okay, so it's definitely a very lavender-leaning fragrance. I smell the juniper. One of those citrus notes. I smell one of them. And then, of course, I'm getting the cedar and the sandalwood. This is a very busy fragrance. Let's compare this to what we got over here. This is interesting. It's been a long time since I smelled like this. It has that very, it smells like a fragrance from the 70s. When was this made? I think early 80s probably. 1985, so mid 80s. Yeah. It definitely smells. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on now. It's finally starting to come together. This is a textbook masculine fragrance. Number one. Yeah. This is growing on me. I like it. It definitely has that barbershop appeal to it, for sure. I'm going to have to play around with this and see where it goes. But overall, I like this. I do like it. I can see this being a go everywhere, do anything type of fragrance. Man, yeah, I guess that's unique now. You know, because when you look at fragrances today, it's like, oh, you can wear this to a job interview. Not to say that those are bad, because like this is a pillar of my review. But at the same time, unless it's a perfect fragrance, it's definitely something that you'd be like, oh, I wouldn't wear it there. But this, you all day, every day, like you could wear this, man. Like it's definitely, man. You know, I've been a part of the fragrance game for a very, very, very long time, man. Very long time. And having said that, they don't make fragrances like this anymore. And I think you have to really tap into those older fragrances to see how far we've gone. Because, and this is a different video, I don't want this to get too long, but there was a time where fragrances were, oh man, this is still changing. There was a time where fragrances were like this a lot, and then it got to like, how professional can we make them, right? And then that's when your Chanel, you know, fragrances like really started to dominate in like Macy's and stuff like that. But now we're on like this kick where it's kind of like how unique can you make it, right? Even the designer fragrances. But you don't really get fragrances like this. This is, woo. Yes, I like this a lot. I like this a lot. Review will be coming soon. Review will be coming soon. Thank you so much, Tobias, for making the recommendation. Really appreciate it. And if any of my other collectors out there, if you guys have any recommendations as far as some other things that we can smell to get on this channel and to continue to develop the appreciation for how fragrances can be different and not all the same, I'm definitely into it. This was about $80. Well worth 80. That's for damn sure. And it's also, I've never smelled this before. This is different. I've never smelled this in any way. Like, it kind of reminds me of, man, what is that fragrance? It's like gray flannel, gray something. I can't remember. It's really old. I didn't really particularly like that fragrance. This though, I like this. I like this. Anyway, let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Have you tried Boss Number One? The Hugo Boss Number One. Let me know. I like this. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Before we do anything, YouTube's making some amazing recommendations. Why don't you go ahead and check them out. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.